The memory management in macOS is pretty robust. However, it's not perfect, so you may still see an error message saying your system has run out of application memory. In this video, we'll show you how to fix it. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We've got plenty of quick and easy tech tips coming that you won't want to miss. Application memory is the part of your macOS responsible for running apps and processes. Having lots of apps and browser tabs open may cause this irritating message to appear on your Mac. Before freeing up application memory on Mac, you may want to know how to check it. Go to Applications, Utilities, open Activity Monitor. Click Memory and check the data at the bottom of the window. Pay close attention to app memory next to memory used. Explore the Memory tab. Do you notice any apps that consume too much memory? Select the app and click X to quit it. Another way to quit apps you're not using at the moment is to use the Force Quit menu. Press Option-Command-Escape and quit apps you don't need. The quickest way to manage memory load on your Mac is to use CleanMyMac. Its menu makes it easy to monitor application memory and free it up whenever your Mac slows down. Here, you can also control how much memory you have available and quit the top memory-consuming apps. Follow the link in the description to download CleanMyMac and give it a try. With insufficient disk space, macOS doesn't have the flexibility to swap things between memory and disk. Let's free up some space. Go to System Settings, General, Storage, and view the recommendations. Watch this video for more ways to free up space. Click the Info button next to each storage category to see what you can delete. Keeping browser tabs open means they update in the background, using memory and other system resources. Bookmark the tabs you need and close the rest. In Safari, go to the website you want to bookmark. Click the Share button in the toolbar, then choose Add Bookmark. In Chrome, open a web page you'd like to bookmark. Click the star icon on the right of the address bar. If all else fails, try the good old restart. Restarting your Mac clears the cache and other temporary files and gives back disk space used as virtual memory. Hope your memory issue is a thing of the past. Check out the video description for useful links and come back later.